On a lighter note, a new headliner has been announced for the much-anticipated Electric Festival. For the third Electric Festival, Aruba, Nervo has been added to the lineup. In case you didn't know, from songwriters to artists and superfans to superstars, electronic dance music's first sisters, Mim and Liv Nervo of Nervo, have catapulted onto the international stage straight from the pit in front of it. The multi-talented duo is an all-time top-ranking female DJs in the world, voted by their millions of fans to number 21 on DJ Magazine's influential 2014 Top 100 DJs poll. These London girls are relevant and in demand and will be in Aruba. The Electric Festival Aruba will take place in conjunction with the Amsterdam Dance Event Conference from September 3rd till September 6th. So mark that down on your calendar.